If you're using Scala Hosting, you're probably seeing something called SPanel instead of the usual cPanel, and it's actually a powerful, lightweight control panel built to make your life easier. Once you log into SPanel, you'll land on clean, intuitive dashboard. From here, you can manage everything: your websites, emails, domains, databases, and even security settings all in one place. Need to install WordPress? Just head to the WordPress manager and click install. It takes less than a minute. Want to create a custom Gmail? Go to email accounts, enter your preferred email name, set a password, and you're good to go. You can also access file management, create backups, and handle DNS settings easily without needing third party tools. The file manager section lets you upload and edit files right from your browser, no FTP required. One standout feature is the S Shield security, which actively monitors your website and blocks the threats automatically, giving you peace of mind without extra plugins. For developers, SPanel includes full root access on VPS plans and supports Git, SSH, and advanced configurations. It's smooth, fast, and super beginner friendly. Perfect whether you're hosting one site or managing many. If this helped you understand SPanel better, give it a like, subscribe for more hosting tips, and let me know what you would like covered next in the comments.